Hey buddy, nice tight shirt. It makes you look like a fag.
Yeah, well, that's what happens when you are a broke environmental consultant and you have to hand wash your motherfucking clothes.
Have you considered doing some BD and get your shirts dry cleaned at that fancy dry cleaner in Yoletown that uses old TCE from the 70s? It would be a sweet contract to win and keep those dirt slaves chargeable for another week.
BD, isn't that what we charge our time to when we are out grabbing a breakfast sandwich before we show up for work at 10:30? Or like what we bill when we are looking at trashy Italian furniture on the net?
I don't know. I don't care. If you want to get to be a business leader like me, you have to know a few things.
Remember who you are talking to, asshole. I am a PJO in Alberta. I had to read 3 pamphlets, pay $400 and fill out a multiple choice brochure. That's how you get to be a team manager. With a little help from JQ.
Is it just me? Or is it too hot in here? Ugh. This coffee tastes like shit. Maybe you should ask those useless marketing bitches to learn how to make some real coffee. If the coffee were actually decent, maybe people would get jacked up enough to stay at work past 4 p.m.
Are you for real? You can't make people work 5% harder for 0% more cash.
What about that fat useless plug? He'll go anywhere for me if I work a few cheeseburgers into the budget.
True enough. But with a multiplier that high, he is always booked up for at least a few months. But if I got him up on my latest dig and dump on the Alaska Highway, he would make me a sweet bonus. Sweet enough to maybe buy some awesome leather love seats.
Good job. Now you're getting the hang of it. While you're at it, I got a favor to ask.
Sure, let me know what you need, bro.
Take this jerrycan full of gas to the nearest Chevron and spill it between where the pavement splits. We need to generate a little more revenue from that client. Remember, I tell them when and where to drill. Then take these Act 2 solve reports from a site where drinking water did not apply and change the project number to Chevron.
That is smart. Are you a hydrogeologist?
Of course not. I didn't learn anything in school. I was too busy trying to get laid. Now get out of here and start working before I retract your bonus.